Good day again. So here are the sample questions. So we already answered number 1. This is just a continuation kay nawala. So again, this question is all about the basic forms of a line. So again, we have number 1, which of the following equation is written in standard form. So again, when you say standard form, iyang form is ax plus by equals c. So ato ni siya pangitaon na form. So as you can see, letter A is y is equal to 4x minus 2. Yes, it has 4x and y, but it is not in standard form. So meaning ano siya ila, but also letter B, because this form is not a standard form. Letter D also is not a standard form, since the choices shows as slope m 1/2, so automatic the best answer or the letter C will be our answer. Letter C, 5x plus 7y is equal to 10, because again standard form is this one. Ito na siyang pangitaon na form. Yes siya. Okay, let's continue. So in the equation y is equal to negative 3x plus 6, what does the number negative 3 represent? So in this question gipangita unsa daw na siya si negative 3 diha sa equation. So kani siya balik siya dito sa atong discussion. Again, ang gipangita is unsa si negative 3. So as you can show in the equation, it shows y is equal to negative 3x plus 6. So dito sa atong discussion, let's find out unsa na siya na form. So as you can see, kung mata sa standard form, automatic C is slope intercept. So sa slope intercept ko no, again is y is equal to mx plus b. So same form siya sa atong equation na y is equal to negative 3x plus b. So kung ato i-write diri si y is equal to mx plus b automatic. Kung ato siyang i-write out, si m is equal to negative 3x and then si b is equal to 6. So as you can see, ato na nang ma-identify. Ang isa gid ka technique ani is dapat ma-memorize niyo ang formula, the formula itself, and then unsay na formula lagi na ko si m, si b, ana na siya. Again, pag b is automatic the slope, and m is the slope, and b is our y-intercept. Y-intercept sa letter B. So choices, ang giingon is y-intercept. Again, si y-intercept nato is 6. So, dili man si 6 ang ipangita, it's negative 3. So, how about si x-intercept? Dili pod. Si slope-intercept ang gipangita. Nag-represent sa negative 3 is slope-intercept, because as you can see, y is equal to negative 3x plus 6, and then si negative 3 is our m. So, na siya is slope si negative 3. Slope na siya sa ato ang given. Okay, again, y is equal to mx plus b. Na siya ang nag-represent sa negative 3, our slope. Pangutana lang mo sa GC if ever naglibog. Again, ang best way diri is dapat memorize niyo ang formula of each basic form of a line. Kana lang siya ang technique. If ever yun ani ang question, automatic labi na og maka-memorize na mo sa formula ni slope intercept, automatic ma-identify ninyo unsa man si negative 3. Di na mo magduha-duha pagpili or maglibog-libog pagpili sa ubang choices. Kaya automatic si negative 3 is just in a slope. Next, we have an equation of a line has slope m 3/4 and a y-intercept b of negative 5. So which of the correct slope-intercept form? So ang gipangita unsa man ang correct na slope-intercept form sa given na equation. Again, the given is we have m is equal to 3/4 and b is equal to negative 5. So automatic, when you say slope-intercept, again, unsa to? Y is equal to mx plus b. So, ano siya ang slope-intercept formula. So, since naman given na slope na 3/4 and b na negative 5, or the y-intercept, automatic ato na siyang i-substitute sa to ang formula. So y is equal to m is 3/4 x plus b to negative 5, and then kana makita nato na negative 5 na siya, so ato pa siyang i-simplify. So positive times negative is automatic negative, so may mo siyang negative 5, so our final answer will be 3/4 x minus 5. So pagitaon nato na siya sa choices. Mano siya ato ang slope-intercept form in the given of slope 3/4 and y-intercept na negative 3. So as you can see, this final answer is not letter A, also not letter B, not letter D, so the answer is letter C. Ano lang siya? Kaya gipangit naman slope-intercept kung saan siya na form, naka-correct form based on the given ano siya. So letter C. Next, we have the letter B. Find the slope of a line that passes through the points 1, 8, and 4, 2. So ang gipangita is slope of the line. So what is the formula of slope of the line? Balik sa discussion. So when you say slope of a line, the formula is slope is equal to y squared y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So as you can see, slope line, identify na itong formula, and then iyang given is makita ni duha siya ka chord. So automatic ka to itong gamito na formula. Sige, ito siyang isolve. Y sub 2 y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So kana siya. So itong buhaton, para ma-answer rin na to based sa yung formula is ato siyang identify asa si x sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 1, and y sub 2. So automatic, again, the first point 1 is our x sub 1 x sub 1 and y sub 1. Point 2 is our x sub 2 and y sub 2. So kana, na-identify na nato siya, and then we're going to substitute that point in our formula. So when we say y sub 2 is automatic si 2 minus y sub 1 8 over x sub 2 4 minus x sub 1 na 1. And then simplify using the operation na diha. So 2 minus 8 is equal to negative 6, and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So kung ato siyang i-divide, negative 6 divided by 3 is just equals to negative 2. So pagtaan natin siya sa choices sa negative 2, which is the letter C. Wala labot si 2, 1/2, and negative 1. So negative 2. Wait a minute. Kato siya si negative 2. So number 3. So our answer is letter C. Next, letter C. Next we have number 5. Which form of a linear equation is most useful when you are given the slope and a single point on a line? So daw na linear equation ang pinaka-useful kung ang given lang is slope and single point of a line. So kung yung slope and single point of a line, x and y, automatic. Again, tanaw ito sa discussion, can have slope and a single point. So for standard form, dili siya nga na matawag na point and a slope and a single point. Also slope intercept, dili pod. Slope of a line, dili pod siya. Kaya again, si slope of a line is 2 point ang atong need 2 points, and then equation of a line. As you can see, klaro na kaayo diri a point slope form. Isa ka slope and point. So kana siya ang sa number 5. So point slope form. Ang answer pag isa ka slope and single point. Letter C.